In addition to creating your model and adding detail, it's also important to be able to extract every possible piece of information from those objects. For this purpose, we use worksheets. While there are a number of ways to create worksheets, in this video, we'll be specifically covering the Create Reports command, the most direct and simplest method of creating worksheets, schedules, and takeoffs. Worksheets are the method used to display the record information attached to certain objects, such as doors, windows, and plants. The major plugin objects in Vectorworks, including windows and doors, have a large number of fields describing their characteristics. Each of these values is stored within a record inside your document. Worksheets access this record and display the information in a desirable way. Tools, Reports, Create Report. Title. This is simply the name of the worksheet. This can be changed either during creation or at any time after creating the worksheet. List All. Here you can select which kind of report you wish to create. For the most part, you'll be using objects with a record, but if you've constructed a number of custom symbols and attached record information to them directly, you would select Symbols to create a report of these items. For this example, we'll choose Objects with a Record. Listing Objects with Record. This is where you select the type of object you wish to create a report of, which is based on the record format selected. You will only see items listed if they currently exist in the active document, other than wall data and slab data. Depending on the type of object you select, in this example, we'll choose Doors. You'll have a number of different data fields listed here in the possible columns list. This list will show all record fields associated with door objects: width, height, swing, and so on. On the right, you'll see a list of worksheet columns. This is where columns you have selected from the left and added will appear. Select one or more items from the left and click Add to add them to the worksheet. Remove to remove selected columns from the worksheet. To add or remove all items from the list, you would click Add All or Remove All. Summarize items with the same allows you to summarize automatically items within a worksheet that share the same value in a particular record field. Here we will summarize doors that have the same width. Summarizing gathers together all of the rows with the same value in their summarized fields into one row. This makes it useful for quantity takeoffs. At the bottom left of this dialog, you'll see an Options button. Clicking this button reveals a number of choices. New Worksheet will cause the Create Reports command to create a new worksheet with the parameters you already specified, which is what you would normally do when creating your first worksheet. Append to Existing Worksheet will allow you to add to an existing worksheet object. This is useful primarily to use one worksheet for more than one database report. Search in Symbols and Search in Plugin Objects will cause the worksheet to look inside of these two types of objects for embedded objects that also contain record information. These options are off by default. This video is just one in a number of videos designed to explain the creation and use of worksheets. Make sure to review all of these to increase your understanding of worksheets in Vectorworks.